Hello people. So same day another vlog. Yeah, I posted one in the morning. Anyways, so this is where we are. Please don't mind the panniers. I've just installed them in the morning because I needed to carry some packages, some luggage on the way back. But the topic of discussion today is what all I carry on the bike for everyday usage, minus the panniers. So we'll be opening the seat and we'll see what all is there. Plus, as you can well guess, there is a hidden storage space as well, where I do keep in some useful stuff. Hopefully that can come in handy. So let's just try and see what all is there. So I'm gonna open the seats and show you. So here's the key. Here is that very secretive looking keyhole, and here we go. This pops up all right. Now I always carry the toolkit. Now I can expound on this. Well, I think I will as well. I have added some tools on my own, so I have added an extra rubber as well, as you can see, just for the strength purpose. So here we go. Yeah, so here we are. So now what I have added to this kit is this. Now this is a spark plug. I'll try and focus. So if you just need the part number, 149 bucks, and as you can see the part number 572328/B. So this is what I've added to the kit. It can come in handy. This is the second part, a plier. They should have provided it. I'm not sure why. I know it's a bit rusty, but anyways, this is what is the second part, and the third part is the Allen key. Now why I have added this is because I'm not sure what happened, but this Allen key is or can be used to open the airbox as well as the battery cover. So this was not provided. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe it fell out of my kit, but I added this. As for the rest is all standard. A screwdriver includes both flat as well as Philip, so it does come in handy. And what else? Let me just pour it all out. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I still have not been able to see where this is used, but well, anyways, I have more use for this rather than this, so not sure why Enfield is doing it, but anyways. So yeah, so now this is a 10 mm as well as a 12 mm. This can be used to adjust the clutch, so that's one. Now this is for opening the spark plug, and 17 mm and 13 mm. Now this can be used to take the spark plug out like this. This is not just, oh sorry, 12. So yeah, you use it like this to take the spark plug out. Too many ends just for powering this. Now this is the spanner that is used with the handle to take the rear wheel, to loosen up the rear axle, which is 24 mm, and you also get a 14 mm, and then, as I was saying, 13 mm and 17 mm. And now this Allen key, now this can be used to take care of the tightening of the handle nuts and most of the Allen keys on which this bike runs. So yeah, all the handy tools. So all I have added is just a plier. I'm not sure what size this is. 4 mm. Okay, so 4 mm Allen key and a spark plug. So that is what I have added in my toolkit. Now let's carry on. Now getting back to the bike, so this is what we have. I have added some polythene bags. Of course, these can come in handy. A rag, bungee net, Yes, and another rag. Well, simple enough stuff. Now we take the front seat out. Here we go. And what we have here is a service manual. Now I have hidden some stuff in the service manual as well, and these are the zip ties, as I'll show you. So yeah, these are the zip ties that I've just put in there. I think there should be 6 of them, 6, 7, yeah. So yeah, just putting it back in. Not important how many I have, but yeah, I have 6, 7 zip ties. They do come in handy. Now let's move on. And I also keep this here in a polythene bag, and this is a charging cable for the mobile charger that I installed. You never know when you might need it, so always there. Now this is the space that I'm talking about. This is the hidden space, that kind of hidden maybe if you're already aware, but yeah, you open this up and this is where I keep the rest of the stuff. So the 2 hooks that lock into the bracket. I hope Enfield would have provided a bigger one, but this is what they provided. So well, that is what we have anyways. Now also, to access the battery, you don't have to completely take out the battery cover. You can access the batteries from here as well, just on the side note. I think this is the ECU, this is the fuse box. We'll discuss about all of those things later, but right now this is the topic of discussion, the hidden box. So this is where it is. Let me take this out, and this is how it looks. So I'll take this out and I'll show you what are the rest of the things that I carry. Well, something just fell off. Nothing fell off. Anyways, yeah, so once you open it, this is how it looks like. Now let me show you what all do I carry. Yeah, that is the feet that got injured, still under the crepe elastic banded. Swelling is still there. It will get okay. I'm sure this will be okay. So this is the bag make do kind of a thing that I have done, and these are the things that I carry. I'm just gonna take the rest of the things out, and here we go. Just a bag. I'm not even sure what bag this was, but any which ways, these are the spare springs. If eventually I end up losing the side stand spring again, I can use these. And this is how I have inserted the Allen key bolts, just to save some space. These can come out. So yeah, these are other things. These are the springs, and these are the chain locks. I have had some episodes on the Enfield where I have broken a few chain locks. So this, as you can see, is the part number, just in case you need it, and I carry 2 of these. So 2 chain locks. I have tied some Allen key bolts of varied lengths that I carry along. As you can see, different length, but they're always with me. Electrical tape, you never know when you might need it. And also, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, one of these thingies. These do come in handy. I keep them tied in here. And just some 10 mm of varied length and 12 mm nuts and bolts. So that is it. This is what I carry on the bike, as you can see right here. Chain lock, Allen key bolts, spring, tape, and few added parts to the toolkit that gets provided with the Enfield. And that is it. So hope this helps. These do come in handy sometimes. Hopefully when they do on the road, I'll be able to post another video. So that is it for today. Ciao.